I'm writing to you regarding my health in relation to my experience with Apple Watch.
I just wasn't taking care of myself, wasn't eating well, terrible schedule, just wasn't sleeping.
This is my battle with mental health and how there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I felt I had absolutely nothing left to live for.
I just started really slow, and it's been nice to see my progress just through fitness and running. Throughout the year, I lost over 100 pounds, and I just got into the New York City Marathon.
It was about 5 in the morning, and my Apple Watch, it started buzzing. My resting heart rate was at 172. I took my blood oxygen level, it was 88%. When they did the x-ray, we found out I had a completely collapsed lung, needed emergency surgery. It gives me goosebumps almost, but the doctor said, he's like, that Apple Watch just saved your life.
I got home and I started to do a jump rope routine. My legs just started to jitter and I hit the ground. Meanwhile, my watch is buzzing, so I look at it and it says, "It looks like you're in trouble. Do you need help?" It didn't dawn on me that I was having a stroke.
Me and my friend, we were hiking in Japan. The second day, it started snowstorm and it's just white.
I was driving home. I started feeling really off. I started feeling dizzy, and that's the last thing I remember.
We lost our phones in the snow. We had nothing left. No food, no water. We can't feel our fingers, we can't feel anything. I don't think I was ready to finish my life there. And what I was wearing was my Apple Watch. We contacted the emergency rescue using the SOS feature.
I had a car just crashed through the garage. They're upside down in our pool.
The next thing I remember was just hearing this very faint voice through my watch saying, "Help is on the way."
We've got everyone on the way.
That helicopter ride was the best feeling I felt in my life.
I've always read those stories about how Apple Watch saved someone's life.
That's why I started to help my mental health.
We've just completed the first mile. 6 miles. I don't know whether I can do this. You don't need no medals. 1 mile to go. Whatever life throws at you, you keep going, you keep pushing, and I promise you, even in the darkest moments, it will get better.
Minutes save lives. Seconds save lives.
That was my second chance. Without this watch, I probably would not have had.
I felt like Apple Watch had my back.
Oh my God, it had my back, it had my front, it had my sides, it had my head, it had my past, my future. Yes, it had everything.